morning, everybody. Merry Christmas Eve. Last night we went to bed around 2 a.m. I think Ricky went to bed later. He was playing up games and I was editing the video. So make sure to enter on yesterday's giveaway. We're giving away 2 pairs from Tiffany May Creations along with a Pet Scout bandana. So make sure to enter on that last video. And today we're just gonna be doing some work on the Valentine's launch. So I'm gonna be cutting the different fabrics. That way we can just sew them all at once. And then we're gonna celebrate Christmas with my family. I'm not sure what we're gonna cook yet, so maybe we'll do a little bit of filming then. What's up, dude? You good? Okay, so Mango needs to eat. I'm gonna go and get his food. I'll show you what he eats. Mango. Let's go. Come on.
Oye, ya esos son ataques ya.
Qué drama. Hey guys, today we are going to be making some doggy treats using 2 ingredients only, super easy. You probably have a lot of sweet potatoes left over from the holidays, so what you will need is a total of 3 sweet potatoes. You're gonna boil them, so just something to boil them in.
You need some peanut butter, preferably with not that many additives, just for your safety of your dog.
Yeah, so we got it at Sprouts. It has only peanuts and a little bit of salt, so that is all. And then you need a silicone mold because these are gonna go in the freezer. I got this one at Joann Fabrics. Right now everything is, what was it, 60% off. So we got this one for like $2. So that's pretty much it. So what we'll be doing is, first we're gonna boil the sweet potatoes, and then once they're all done, you're gonna take the peel, like the skin off. Then you're gonna mash it in a separate bowl, and then you will add 2 cups of peanut butter, and then you'll just put it in the mold and let it freeze. The one thing about these, they won't freeze, they won't harden, so as soon as your pup has it in its mouth, it won't like start to melt, so it won't be hard on your teeth, which is important for Mango since he's a senior pup. And I got this recipe from @Dude Wayland, so huge thank you for this recipe. So we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so the sweet potatoes are now ready. It took about 40 minutes?
Yeah, probably about 40.
An hour,
45 minutes.
probably an hour. So they're all boiled. Whoops. They gotta be soft in the middle. So now we transfer them here. Okay, now we're gonna try to take the peel off, like the skin.
Peel the skin off?
Yes. So now you'll mush them up and add about 1 to 2 cups of peanut butter.
Peanut butter and mix it in.
Now you fill it in. So this is what it looks like. It's all in the mold. And now you just put it in the freezer and let it freeze for a little bit and then they'll be ready. We just took them out of the freezer and they're ready. And there it is. So we're gonna do a taste test and I'm only gonna cut a small piece since it's 11 p.m. But I want Mango to try it. So let's see. Wait, don't drop it. Okay, so for today's giveaway, we're gonna be giving away one Dog Mom hat from Shop Jean Carter and then one free bandana of your choice. So make sure to comment down below what your Christmas, either Eve or day traditions are, and then leave your Instagram handle. That way we can go ahead and contact you. I also wanted to do a sneak peek of our Valentine's Day launch. They're going to be launching January 1st. So today I went ahead and finished cutting all of the fabric for about 160 bandanas. So the next step is to sew them, but what I did was I went ahead and just sewed and then ironed all our mediums. That way I can go ahead and photograph them on Mango, and then I'll finish sewing the rest. So these are not finished, but they are ironed. So I'll show you what the patterns are. 100% kissable. I thought it was really, really cute for Valentine's Day. And then the reverse side is this pretty red. I think it's like little arrows. Shaped waffles, and the reverse side is I woof you. That's pretty cute. And we always have a donut one, if you couldn't tell. We love donuts, so we always have to have it as a theme. So this one is our heart-shaped donuts. Let's see if it'll focus. And then the back is this really pretty glitter hearts. XOXO. I thought this was really cute, especially on darker colored dogs. And then the back is a really pretty plaid. Is this, let's see if it'll focus, this mom bandana. I thought that was really cool. I've been eyeing this print since last year, so I'm very happy that I finally got it. And then the back is pink and red hearts. Once again, donuts and coffee. I thought this was really pretty. This reminds me of the donuts from Dunkin' Donuts. And then the back is some little pink and red hearts. Like the T-Rex, let's see. The T-Rex Valentine's Day one, our T-Rex Santa one sold out so quickly and I couldn't get one for Mingo, so I'm gonna make sure to get one for him this year. And the back is like this pretty hearts. Really cool heart-shaped lollipop design. I feel like everyone got these as a kid, so we had to have it. And the back is a white colored fabric with red hearts in it. Stuck on You bandana, and it's these little cacti with little hearts on it. And the reverse side is this really pretty pink color. I like roses. A stud muffin bandana. I thought this was really cute. And then the back is the red I with you. This is specifically for Valentine's. It's a gray with red lips, and then the back is a black fabric with red hearts. Martini, so I thought this was very cool. It's an olive view bandana. They're like little olives throughout, and then the back are red hearts, or white hearts on red fabric. A kind of like a Starbucks coffee print. So this is it for this holiday. I thought this is really cute, and the back is really pretty little flowers. And every kid's Valentine's Day card, be mine. So I made sure to get it in a fabric, and then the back is this really pretty pink with silver glitter. We have this print, little pizzas, and then the back is a red plaid. I really dig you bandana. That is it for our Valentine's Day launch bandanas. I'm gonna go ahead and finish them, and we might have one or two more designs, but I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek. They will launch January 1st on our website. We might have some again at Uptown Pup and at the Dallas Farmers Market, so make sure to stay tuned for the launch. And make sure to enter the giveaway. Make sure to enter what your Christmas Eve or day traditions are, and leave your Instagram handle so we can go ahead and contact you. So thanks again for watching, and comment down below any other video suggestions that you have.